Hi, my name's Bill McKay from Blue Connections. Today we've got Tech Talk with the Lenovo Thinkpad X1 Nano. This is a super lightweight. This is generation number 2. So they've got all the bugs ironed out. Not that there were any bugs to start with, but hey. Let's get into the specs for the X1 Nano. 13-inch screen, 2K resolution, 2160 by 1350, 1610 resolution. 12th generation Intel processors, i5 or i7, up to 6 performance cores and 8 economy cores in the CPU. 32 gig of RAM, 1 terabyte PCIe 4, generation 4 hard drive in it. IR cameras, minimum 10 hours battery, available in touch and non-touch, and it's also got Thunderbolt 4. This is a true performance machine. It's going to give you long battery life and lightweight. Ideal for the executives or travelling salespeople that are out on the road all day. Thank you for watching Tech Talk. We've been reviewing the Lenovo X1 Nano. If you'd like any further information about this device or any other, please contact the sales team at Blue Connections. We'd be only too happy to assist you. Thank you and bye for now.